Stellaluna, written by General Cannon, retold by Malikah 206. Every night, Tuvets used to fly beneath the sky until a raptor stalked towards them. While they fight, a baby vet Stellaluna fell below. After falling down, she landed into a nest owned by birds. Mama comes back and forth to feed her babies. Stellaluna learned to be like the birds. After they grew up, they were ready to leave the nest. Stellaluna practiced and practiced to become a better flyer. Will Stellaluna ever find her family? Stellaluna at the Hoover Library and learn how she will find her family.